Welcome back to my channel. Today we're preparing a glazed ham and the steps are very easy, and I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot. For the new supporters and board, welcome. For those that come in for the first time, please tap the subscribe button, put your bell on so you will get notified. And as you see guys, I'm removing the arm from the plastic, but as I said, this one is self-explanatory, so I'll catch you at the end of the video. Keep on watching guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't catch me if I fall. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth.
Delicious. Just imagine the taste, the orange, the pineapple, and the sorrel with a hint of ginger. It was very delicious, guys. And this one was part of my Christmas dinner. No, it's a late upload, but nevertheless, um, I'm under the weather for almost 3 weeks now, guys. I'm fighting, trying to take my vitamin C and all my supplements, but I'm trying not to push myself too much. But thanks again for all the support. Really appreciate you guys a lot. And catch you guys in another video. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.